Christian, we're gonna build a video game in 5 minutes.
Well, this video is 5 minutes, but it only took me about a half hour to build and debug the video game.
Impressive. But if the video is only 5 minutes, the clock is already ticking.
That's right. Count me off, will ya?
Oh, okay. On your mark, get set.
First thing we gotta do is open up our preferred IDE. I'm going to delete all the files for our Hello Worlds app.
We spent all that time creating them and now you're just deleting them?
We could keep them and stay in this video game forever.
Nope, get them out of here.
I've also prepared a skill.md file. These files are readable for any agent that works on this project. This particular skill is called orchestration because it tells them how to work together, it orchestrates them.
Oh, clever. I can read that you're telling one agent to make the game itself, while another agent does the leaderboard. And then a third agent will come in, test it all, and fix any problems?
You got it. With this file, our agents will work on Voyager as a team. Now I can prompt the agents individually, telling them specifically what to do. Keep in mind, these prompts and the skill.md will all be covered in detail in the self-guided lessons.
All right, well, let's start with Agent A and let it build the core game engine.
Let's do it. So I put in the prompt, and now it's written an implementation plan for us to review. If I wanted to, I could add a comment, but honestly, it's great already. So I'll click Proceed.
So while that's going, we can start Agent B on its tasks, right?
That's right. I'll copy my prompt for Agent B, start a new conversation, and paste it in.
So Agent A is building the game, and Agent B is building the leaderboard. And you configured Firebase already to support that leaderboard.
That's right. And now, Agent B wants us to review its implementation plan. Right off the bat, I like that it's not planning to do any verification. That means it's listening to our directions in skill.md and leaving the verification work to Agent C. And the rest seems good, so I'll tell it to proceed.
Oh, and did you notice that? Agent B is picking up right where Agent A left off, by placing its code for the leaderboard into the files that Agent A created. That's some smooth AI collaboration.
Exactly. They're playing co-op. Now that Agent B is done, the walkthrough explains its implementation and how we can validate it.
Are we ready for Agent C to validate everything?
Almost. Before Agent C can do its job, we need to give it some tools by adding an MCP server.
MCP. More cookies, please?
MCP actually stands for Model Context Protocol, but let's get some cookies once we escape this game.
How do you add an MCP server in Anti-Gravity? And which one are you going to add?
I'll go to Settings, Customizations, and then scroll all the way down to Add MCP. I'll search for DevTools and add it. With this MCP server, Agent C can open the game in the browser and interact with it, and even read any error messages that might appear in the web console.
Are we ready to run Agent C?
We are. Let's go back and...
What?
There's an error message. Something about an NPM error. Honestly, I'm not sure how to handle this one.
What if you tell Anti-Gravity to fix it?
Joe, you're a genius.
Can I have a cookie yet?
I'll buy you a dozen once we're out of here. Look at that. Anti-Gravity was able to troubleshoot its own error.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. So now are we ready for Agent C?
We're ready. Let's copy its prompt, start a new conversation, and paste it in. It's planning to run npx Firebase Emulator Start. Instead, I want it to run Firebase Emulators Start without npx.
This is where you, the human in the loop, really come into play.
Definitely.
All right, so we've got our validation agent running. What is it doing exactly?
So we gave it another carefully crafted prompt. Now the agent will start the game and let it time out to check that it fails successfully. Then it'll restart the game, use a cheat code to win, and test the leaderboard. When it notices any bugs, it'll troubleshoot them.
That is super impressive. We orchestrated agents to build a game and a leaderboard, and another agent will make sure it all works together. This is some space age stuff. This thing is so capable that I think I'm gonna take a nap.
Wait, no, Joe, don't...
No, it's cool. I'll be right here. Just a quick nap.
Right, but Joe, I still might need you to... Oh boy. And now it's stuck in a logic loop.